Alright, for today's video, I was driving around, I was off duty, and happened upon an accident. So this is Interquest Parkway, eastbound, just coming up to New Life.
Yeah, I just saw the truck go by.
So the accident was just east of New Life and just before Powers. So 4 vehicles, I could tell the vehicles were disabled. There's fluids on the ground leaking out of the vehicles.
I gotta stop and help these guys. You stay in the car. Do not get out of the car for any reason.
So initially, I just activate my lights and make contact with all the drivers to make sure there's no injuries. So no injuries reported, and then I focus on scene safety. So I start deploying cones. So I start by putting out a taper, blocking the right lane. And if you're familiar with this area, there's curbs on the side, so it's difficult to get cars out of the roadway when accidents happen here. And also I have a winch on the front of my truck, so my push bumper, I can't push vehicles. So I deploy cones just to make the scene safe. I try to leave plenty of room for other first responders. Then pretty soon Colorado Springs Fire Department shows up, and that's actually their fire station right there on the left. So that's engine 24. So shot some video of the vehicles, or 4 vehicles involved. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have a traffic arrow integrated into my light bar, and you can see it was working quite well. So between the cones and the traffic arrow, yeah, traffic cleared out of that right lane really well. So then the captain shows up, and he takes my position to get me out of there. So I just pick up my cones.
Wait, is that what a fireman looks like in real life?
Stop traffic for me, and I get out of there. So my total time on scene was 33 minutes.
Car got really jacked.
Alright, well, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.